Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix one of the minor annoyances that you'll find with Microsoft Word, especially if you're adjusting margins or playing with the indent command. So, I'm going to talk today about non-breaking spaces and non-breaking hyphens. Well, it doesn't sound very exciting, but it's actually a very powerful feature and something that you should know about if you're working with formatting in Microsoft Word. So here's an example. We'll use the example of Harry's hatchery, and he sends out some instructions when he sends out his baby chicks so that people will make sure that the chicks survive. So he's formatting this particular document, which talks about temperature and talks about feeding. Now, I just want to point out something here. Notice that in the temperature paragraph, we have day old with a hyphen, and we want to keep that together. And let me just show you what I'm talking about here. So let's assume that Harry decides that this would look better if this paragraph were indented. So he moves into the paragraph and he just clicks the indent command to increase the indent on the ribbon there, and there we have it. So that looks better, but notice what happened to our day old chicks. We have day hyphen old chicks. And if Harry's happy with that, then that's fine. But what he really wants to have happen here is he wants day old to be together as one word. So what we can do to fix that is make that a non-breaking hyphen, so that when margins change or when we indent, if that's a non-breaking hyphen, that means, okay, don't break the word at the hyphen as it just did. Keep the hyphenated word together. So I'm going to show you how to do that first, and then we'll work on the non-breaking space here for the Harry's Thrive that we want to keep together. So we go ahead and delete the old hyphen, and now to put in a non-breaking hyphen, we have a couple of series of keystrokes. The keystrokes that we use are Shift, Alt, and then the hyphen. Now it doesn't appear any different in this case. We can't really see the difference when we're looking at it, but now if we go in and indent, notice what happened. The day old chicks stayed on the same line because, again, that's a non-breaking hyphen, and it says keep that word that is hyphenated together. All right, let's show you the same thing with a non-breaking space. So we move in now to the feeding paragraph, and we have Harry's Thrive down there. Let's just see what happens if we also increase the indent there. Notice what happened in this case. Harry's Thrive broke. But because that's something that he has trademarked, he wants to keep the name together. He doesn't want it to break up on different lines. So we'll undo that, and we'll put in a non-breaking space for Harry's Thrive. So we'll delete the existing space, and now to put in a non-breaking space, it's Control, Shift, and the space bar. Again, doesn't appear any different here, but now if we go ahead and indent the paragraph, Harry's Thrive is together because that's a non-breaking space. All right, so again, a very simple little feature that you can use in your own documents in Microsoft Word. Non-breaking hyphens and non-breaking spaces. Well, if you like this video, consider liking it. Please check out my other videos. Consider subscribing to my channel, and you'll find step-by-step instructions for all of my Word and Excel and Access videos out on my website, luthermaddy.com. Thank you very much, and we'll see you in the next video.